Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 7 in which we have unit number 1 set. Today topic is about MCQ multiple choice questions. So all the students open your book page number 14 and pick your pencil. So let's start our today lecture. So the for MCQ select the correct option from the given option. They said that four option is to be a given and you choose the correct option of the given MCQs. So let's start. MCQ number 1. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continue and that's 100. But a 1 to 100 cortex is present into a set A. And they say that set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, continue and 100. You see that the sequence of this B is an even number. 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, continue and 100. But this set of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and continue 100. They say that what is A minus B. The option is to be again A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, continue 99. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, continue 100. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, continue 100 and D is equal to empty bracket. So student, you know that when you have subtract even numbers, because that A set is depend on your even number and A set have all the odd and even numbers. So when you have B A minus B, your correct option is A 1, 3, 5, 7, continue and 99. It means that all odd number is left. So the correct option is A. MCQ number 2. What does the rectangular region in a Venn diagram? The rectangular region is a region in which all the elements are present. In a Venn diagram where the two circles is to be a join, that's a common space we write out common elements. But when the element is not be written into a common part, they are be written into a diagram. Not a common part, only a written in a diagram side. It's called a rectangular region. So the rectangular region option is A U, B is equal to U, A union B, C is equal to A intersection B, D is equal to A minus B. So its the correct option is A because that U is stand for universal set and the all member A union B, all the members should be present into a U. So the correct option is to be a U. Then if U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F and A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to C, D, E. They say that then A is universal union B universal. Firstly you take a universal of A set, then you take a universal of B set. A universal B, U minus A, U minus C. When you have take universal A universal and B universal, then you take a union of these sets. So the option is to be a given A is equal to C, B is equal to A, B, D, E, F, C is equal to A, B, C, D, E, D is equal to F. So the correct option is option B, A, B, D, E, F. When you have solved this question, the correct option is A, B, D, E, F. We remember that firstly you take the A universe, then B universe, then you take a union of the both sides. When you have take the union of both sides, mean all arrange the order sequentially. Question option number 4. What is the complement of the set A determinant? The set A determinant A minus B, B union A union B, U divided by A, universal divided by A or universal intersection A. The determinant of the correct option is universal by A. Universal by A. Determinant means U by A. Last MCQ which of this following is the properties of equilateral set. They contain the same element. They contain the same number of elements. They are null set. They cannot pair in a 1 to 2 corresponding. So we remember the equilateral set means that the set, both sets, set A and set B, have the same number of elements or same number of members. So the option D, they contain the same number of elements is to be a correct. So student, revise your lesson, do your homework, complete your classwork. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.